Hi there, Danny here from Tradify. Today, I'll guide you through all you need to know about quotes and estimates in Tradify. Whether you're new to Tradify or just need a refresher, I'll show you how to create, send, and manage your quotes. We'll even cover some easy ways you can take your quotes and estimates to the next level. Start by navigating to the Quotes section in your left-hand navigation. This page is where you can manage all of your quotes. The different tabs allow you to quickly find your quotes relevant to their current status. To see a full list of quotes, simply select the All tab. There are two ways to create a new quote. Click the New Quote button from your Quotes page, or press the large plus button from your dashboard. Start by adding your customer. If you've already set up existing customers, search for their name or add a new customer by selecting the plus button to the right. Once you've added your customer, you can add the job location as a site. If you already have site details saved against your customer profile, you can choose from the existing sites. Otherwise, you can add this manually. Let's start filling in our quote details. Assign a reference number or name to the quote for easy identification. Set the quote date and expiry date so your customer knows how long the quote is valid for. And add a description for the quote that clearly explains what the quote is for. Our SmartWrite feature is a great help when writing quote descriptions. It can automatically generate descriptions based on the line items that you add, suggest writing improvements, fix your formatting, and even change the tone to be more professional or friendly. With the description added, we can start adding line items. Line items represent the products or services you're quoting for. To add a line item, click on the button for the type of line item that you'd like to add. You'll have a few types of line items to select from. Time allows you to enter your estimated labor. Price list items allow you to select any existing products needed for the job that you've added as price list items within your Tradify account. These can easily be uploaded through a price list sourced from your chosen supplier. Or miscellaneous for unexpected materials or items that might not be part of your price list. We also offer an option called Kits. Kits are a collection of materials, labor, and miscellaneous costs that are bundled together to make up typical services for a business, turning multiple line items into one. After all your line items have been added, let's preview the quote to see how it looks for the customer. If you haven't already customized your document themes to include your branding, click the Customize this document theme button. This allows you to tailor your quotes to include your logo, include your payment details, and even allows you to decide what details you'd like displayed. Check out our other video on document themes to learn more. I'm happy with how my quote looks, so it's time to hit approve. Approving the quote locks it in so it can no longer be edited, and it means we aren't sending our customers a draft quote. When sending the quote, I have the option to send by email and text message. Once sent, your customers can accept, decline, and comment on quotes from a trackable link. They can open the link within the email sent to them from Tradify on any device, and it automatically updates the quote status for you in your Tradify account. You can even see when a quote has been viewed by heading to the activity log. If a customer has verbally accepted, you can manually update the status to accepted. There are several options available after your quote has been accepted, and your next steps will vary depending on your workflow. You can copy the accepted quote to a job, and this copies over the customer details and the quote description and allows you to schedule in the work. Copy the quote to an invoice, whether it be for an initial deposit or for the full amount. Or copy the materials from the quote into a purchase order to send directly to your supplier. There are several ways that Tradify allows you to take your quoting to the next level. For example, you can utilize quote templates for jobs that you commonly quote for to save even more time on admin. Or try adding an optional section to offer multiple service offerings and upsell products all in one quote. Check out our other videos on this feature linked in the description below. Let's take a look at some of the core quote settings. Navigate to the settings page in your left-hand navigation. From here, select the quotes option. This is where you can set the default expiry period for your quotes. You can also enable email and text reminders as default, meaning that Tradify will do the following up for you every time. You can even customize the email reminder message to make sure that it matches your brand. Don't forget to save your changes at the bottom of the page.
Feel free to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. We have everything from detailed feature guides to customer tips and tricks. If you need any assistance or have any questions, our world-class support team is here to help. You can live chat with us from the app, shoot us an email, or give us a call.